up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Lauren and I'm at the Universal Orlando Resort for another Jurassic World VelociCoaster update. Let's go inside and see what's new. So the past few days have been really rainy, so I'm glad I've been able to come back here, show you guys what's going on, so let's go in the park! Alright, and the fingerprint has granted us access, and we're on our way. So they just came out with more of these masks based on the retro line. So that's the old one they have, the Universal Studios one. So they came out with the Earthquake, King Kong, E.T., and then Frankenstein. Really cool. It is 11:35 on a Monday. It looks like Hulk, Dr. Doom, and Spidey has a 40-minute wait. Along with Flight of the Hippogriff at a 15-minute wait. Seuss at a 5-minute wait. Got Cat in the Hat at a 5, One Fish, Two Fish at a 15-minute wait, Jurassic at a 5-minute wait, Tigers at a 60-minute wait, so pretty low waits except for the main popular rides, which Tigers 60-minute wait. So remember those signs from before of the U.S. area that were, you know, kind of medium? Alright, well, you definitely can't miss the U.S. area now. Giant signs. So I do see a few differences from last time. We have a few cranes up in the air. Got some queue work being done on the bottom there. And if you look all the way in the back there, we have a train. And a couple minor details in the bottom there. Another view of the current state of the queue. As you can see, the scaffolding has been removed for the most part to reveal the rock work underneath. So it wasn't too much going on in the Wall City. But looks like we have some more cars going through the dive loop. So it looks like we got some painting being done on the building over here. Osprey! And I hate to say it, but he's eating something up there and it may be a VelociFishy tear. I just had to make sure the Midway Suite is looking good. We made sure to put in our order for the pink chickens wallpaper coming Sunday. More of the rock work being completed for the locker area over here. So it looks like over here they're starting to put in more of the landscaping. See more palms, trees, everything all around here. So starting to build up. It's kind of like a jungle area over here. Fishies. Sorry guys, I know you've been losing a lot of your friends lately, but keep your chin up, guys. Sneak report for the day. Although they're facing away from each other, it looks like, you know, they're doing okay. So they've started bringing the holiday items, starting with the Grinch, which is the best holiday character, a la Jim Carrey. And don't you tell me a different that he's the best actor ever. So yeah, over there we had headbands and tree skirts, plush, t-shirts, mugs, more t-shirts, being a naughty, and then a different type of mug and different type of t-shirt. Resting Grinch face. Well, that's gonna do it for update here from Universal for the Jurassic World VelociCoaster. We were able to check out part of the train on the dive loop and also new queue and landscaping being put in. We expect more in the following days. As always, if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem, and we'll see you out on the Midway.